Hey, welcome back guys. So today we're going to talk about my batteries for my Canon T4i right here. Older camera, I know. I'm not an experienced photographer or videographer, but I still like to kind of mess around, and this was a small investment for me. So I've had this camera for going on probably about 5 years now, and I still hardly know how to use it and the functions, but I'm learning more and more every day. But when I'm out messing around with this camera, the problem is that the camera only comes with one battery, and this is my stock battery. It's still good, it's still running. I guess it's called an LP-E8. But I wanted to buy some extra batteries, and you know how it goes. If you buy the authentic batteries, they are actually authentic parts. They just end up being a lot more expensive. So I decided I would go ahead and give these a try. Since this is an older camera, I always read the stories about maybe not these batteries, but if you use aftermarket batteries, it's possible it's going to burn out your camera. Since this is an older one and it would give me a reason to buy a new camera, I didn't really mind trying these batteries out. I've had them for about a month now. So these are by a company called Wasabi Power, and that's wasabi like the green hot stuff that you would get at a Japanese restaurant. So these are Wasabi Power, and I bought these. They were a really good price. I forgot exactly how much they were, but they were substantially lower than the stock Canon batteries. Check the description for the most recent price. But this particular battery pack, they came in a pack of 2, which is kind of cool, especially since I just bought this battery extension thing. So I needed extra batteries. When I take my camera out, I noticed that I kept running out of battery. And I know common sense just says, well, just buy some new batteries, so I finally did that. Anyhow, these are them. I had them for about a month. I've used them quite a bit, and I haven't really noticed any kind of difference between this battery and that battery. Maybe you have. If so, click the comments. Leave me a comment about what your experience is with them. But for me, these are pretty good. In my experience or inexperienced use of them, they're basically the same thing. I mean, they're just power. I don't have any issues with them charging down rapidly. I don't have any issues with them ruining the camera. This camera is still running like it was before. I don't have any issues with it. So for me, they're really good. So let's go ahead and talk about the batteries. They are beautiful. I'm just kidding. They just look like batteries. They're the same shape as the Canon. Basically about the same weight. I don't know. Actually, the Wasabi feels a little bit heavier. Just slightly heavier. I don't know if that's a good or a bad thing, but yeah, it's a little bit heavier. This battery is like 5 years old. These ones are brand new, so maybe that has something to do with it. And they have the same attachments. So looks like they have their phone number right there. They're made in China. And I bought the 2-pack. Actually, I bought 4 just in case these batteries suck for some reason. I just got 2 and 2 so I can swap them out. But I actually haven't used the other pack. But when you buy a 2-pack, or at least the time that I purchased them, they came with this charger also. It's a pretty decent wall charger, so it's just included, so of course I'm going to take it. So I just leave one in my backpack, I leave one in my office, and then I have my home Canon charger that I just leave at home. So this is the charger that it comes with. It has this kind of interesting little adapter right here. So once that you fold it out, then you can just plug it right in. And then when you're finished, unplug and fold it away, so that way the teeth aren't going to bend, which is kind of cool. And this charger right here, one thing I will say is once you get the battery in there, for some reason it's kind of hard to pull it out, and it looks like this is a lever of some sort, but it's not. It's just textured there for some reason. I'm not sure why they have a texture right there, but yeah, the batteries, once you put them in there, just like that, so they pop in really easily, but to get them out, they're in there pretty good, but I guess that's better than them falling out, right? So anyhow, this charger, it comes with them. As far as how long it takes to charge this battery with this charger, I don't really know, because anytime the battery runs out, or actually when I'm done using the battery, I usually just pop it in there, and I just leave it until I remember. So if I'm cooking dinner, or I'm watching YouTube, or something like that, I just let them charge. It's definitely not more than overnight. Actually, whenever I leave them overnight, I've never come back to them being marked as still charging. So here on the top, it looks like it has some sort of an AC adapter. I don't know what that's for. Maybe if you have a cable, you can just plug it in there instead of using this little adapter back here. I've never used that. If you have, be sure to leave a comment below. But yeah, they're just batteries, so I haven't had any issues with them. They're nothing miraculous to speak about because, again, they're just batteries, but I'd recommend them if you're looking to replace your Canon batteries with something a little bit more economical. It's a pretty good brand. They have pretty good reviews. I don't have any issues with them, so check them out. Hopefully you liked the video. If so, click thumbs up and subscribe for more review videos in the future. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.